Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's live trading session. This is Kyriakos Harilaou from the Forex Trading Desk of Trademy.com, and I would like to personally welcome Alan, Anne-Marie, Jeff. You have just joined us. Good morning. Good morning, Alan. Good morning, Anne-Marie. Good morning, Fanos. Good morning, Jeff. Good morning, Patrick. Let's wait for a few more minutes, guys. People are just waking up. Getting ready to join our trading room. Let's go first of all straight to the current FX positions. As you know, I opened Monday morning 8 Forex pairs positions, the 8 majors, and I have also posted them in the chat room so that you know, guys. The first position I have opened is that I have entered long positions on Aussie dollar with a take profit 0.73038. Second position, I have opened a long position as well on Euro Yen. Take profit 132.373. Euro Dollar, also long positions at 1.17279 with take profit 1.17729. Be careful not to confuse the numbers. This is the opening price 279. This is the TP price 729. Okay, be careful not to confuse in case you wish to follow us on these trades. Now on pound dollar, I'm net long. Net long means that I have opened initially a sell position, but as you can see, pound dollar went up and this triggered a bigger long position. So I'm net long on pound dollar. Opening price of the long position 1.3830, take profit 131.280. I'm also long the Kiwi, and triggering price was 0.66602, take profit 0.67052. Dollar CAD short positions at 1.29423, take profit 128.973. Seventh position for the day, 7 pair. I have shorted dollar CHF, triggering price 0.96042, take profit 0.95592. And last position for the day, last pair I have traded, long positions on dollar yen at 112.535 with a take profit at 112.985. Now, as you can see, a green light appeared on Euro Yen. It means that we are fastly approaching our take profit. Let's jump to Euro Yen. Is my best performer so far. And my second best performer is the long position I have on pound dollar. Currently, we are up a bit more than $3,500. We see that Euro Yen is trying now to break above the MA 50 periods on the 15-minute chart. Bullish Euro across the board for Monday, at least for the moment. Bullish Euro and weakening Yen and USD. This is the momentum I get from the morning. There we go, guys. We are just 10 pips now away from our first take profit position for the day. You see Euro Yen is climbing nicely to the upside, and we are fastly approaching our first take profit from the morning. The morning started, I have made a small mistake and I have realized some minor losses. Automatically I close the position, no big deal. So for the moment I'm down $125 because of a mistake I have made on execution. It happens. As soon as you realize it and you fix it, you won't have any problems. So we are getting ready, guys, to realize our first profitable position. We are talking about approximately $2,000, and that will be a great start for the week. So we are currently almost $5,000 profit, unrealized, of course. And as you have heard me saying many times, unless you realize the profits, you cannot party. The same goes for losses. My hedge position on pound dollar, it seems that is doing well. It has already recovered the losses of the smaller position, almost recovered. So these are the positions I have currently opened. Euro yen is my best performer, followed by pound dollar long position. So we are patiently waiting for the trades to develop. Now, let's go straight to news announcements. Very important week, guys. Fed interest rates increase. It's expected. Don't forget that we are monitoring the news from forexlive.com. For today, we have a bank holiday in Japan and in China. In a few minutes, no, we have the German IFO business climate figures. They just came out better than expected, 103.7 versus 103.2 forecasts. We have later in the afternoon at 1 p.m. we have a President Draghi talk. However, it's not of these talks that will cause volatility, but we always need to keep our eye on what he says or what he presents on all his presentations, because he's a very important person. He's the chairman of the European Central Bank, monitoring the short-term interest rates and among other things. So tomorrow we have early in the morning, Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda will talk, and that's a very important speech. It will definitely affect the yen pairs. For tomorrow also at 8:40 a.m. UTC time, we have a member of Parliament, Vige, will speak about the British pound, affecting the British pound. And later tomorrow we have CB consumer confidence. But the big day, as I have mentioned before, is on Wednesday, guys. Later at night at 6 p.m. we have federal FOMC statement and interest rates. Everybody's expecting an increase in the interest rates of 25 basis points. So the forecasts are talking about an interest rate increase of a minimum of 25 basis points, 2.25%. It would be very interesting to see if this increase will indeed occur, or if the increase will occur and it will be greater than 25 basis points of increase. Later, early in the morning on Thursday, we have interest rates again for the Kiwi. So in case we have some New Zealand positions, we need to be alerted on Thursday. And later on Thursday at 12:30 p.m. we have core durable orders and final GDP quarter on quarter for the United States dollar. And again, we have a Draghi talk. Okay, so that's all for the week. On Friday, I don't observe any important news apart from the current account of GBP. So these are the upcoming news for the day. I see that the Leaf has just entered long positions on DAX at 12,381.88. Elif,
Yes.
I'm transferring. You want to explain? Okay. Let's go straight to Elif for the EU Open.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I hope you had a very nice weekend. We are here back on the indices desk to put some trades, and we put our first trade for this morning, guys. We put our first trade for this morning. Here we go, and I'm directly selling right now also Italy 40. I just sold also Italy 40, and I'm long on, wait a minute, here we go. I'm long on DAX. I entered at 12,381.88, and I'm short at Italy 40. Italy 40, I entered at 21,403. It is Italy 40, it is in a downtrend today. It was already quite oversold the last few days, but to be honest, I don't trust this strong down movement. That's why I will not keep my position open for very long time. I don't trust this movement much. Let's put a take profit, a narrow take profit. Let me see. It is currently at 21,413, and I believe it will go down until 21,350. It's not much what we are aiming. Let's see here. This is the level I'm looking for. This is the level I'm looking for, and here I'm aiming a profit of around $1,300. Let's see how fast we will get there. Also on DAX, I opened the DAX position. We had negative opening. Today it opened with a big gap down, DAX, and now we got some positive results from the IFO, positive IFO results, guys. This made me to go for a long position, because we see also here it will aim today the 12,400 level, and this is why I went for a long position on DAX for now. So let's see the next one. Oh, Kyriakos, do you want to share with us something?
Yes.
We are getting ready to hit take profit on Euro Yen. We are just 4 pips away from our triggering price. Remember, Euro Yen was our best performer and is still our best performer. We are talking about $2,000. That will be a nice start. If we get this profit, we are just now marginally away from our take profit. As you can see, the triggering price is at 373. The price now is at 32.8 and is falling a bit. So any moment now we will hit take profit, and if we do, I will come back and let you know. I thought it's gonna do it now, but it seems it delays a bit. There is no. Okay, let's go. Let's see now. It's going up again. Okay, there is no reason to delay Elif. Elif, we are back to you, and if I hit take profit, I will come back. Thank you.
No problem, Kyriakos. All good, all good. Once you hit take profit, just let me know. So, also quite interesting today, UK 100. Let me see. No, right now there is no entry level on UK 100. Guys, I want to sell UK 100. I got contradictory information. I have to wait here for a better entry level. It's not a good entry level right now. It's not giving me a clear pattern, and I will explain you what's wrong here. We are within the Bollinger Bands, as you can see. Let's make it a bit smaller so I can explain it to you. As you can see, the price range is right now in the middle Bollinger Band. We are looking at a 5 minutes chart, and we don't see any extreme reversal pattern. We have this small move. I would say with this move that it might drop down, but I don't get the confirmation from my indicators here. I don't get the confirmation on the next higher level that it will go down. Here, I don't get the confirmation. So for me, it's not an ideal time to enter, so I will just leave it there and see how it develops. However, the most interesting asset today during the opening was oil, guys. Like during the weekend and afterwards. Let me see with oil. The tension, the China trade war tension between China and USA was affecting quite a lot the markets, and nothing was really moving. And also this morning the openings were very conservative. We didn't have much move. We didn't have much move, as you can see. And now the only one which had really move was oil. Oil, while last week it was traded at $68, now it's up to $70, $72, and it's a nice move. It's a nice move here. Let me see if we see any. Guys, I get strong signals for a down trade. Guys, I will sell now oil. I will sell a bit of oil. Just sold oil. And I will put my take profit on oil. 72.22. I will put it at 71. No, I will not go to 71. 78.80. This is what I'm aiming for. And let's see, it's $1,400 which I'm aiming for. And we see how it will develop. Italy 40 started to move nicely. We still pay off the spread, still not reached yet the spread. DAX is very slow today, extremely slow. In general, the markets are a bit slow today. Let's see with gold. We have gold. Gold is interesting. Guys, gold is very interesting. Guys, gold is right now very close to. I will buy gold. I will buy gold. I will buy gold. Wait a minute. So now I'm buying gold, guys, and my take profit is $1 higher than the level which I have entered. At 1199.90 is my take profit. It's a take profit approximately of $4,000, which I'm aiming, $4,100. Let's see, we'll get there. Okay, what happened to Italy 40? That it dropped back. Now look at gold, it's running up, guys. Let me check with Italy 40. It dropped again. Okay. For any one of you guys who didn't manage to open with me Italy 40, just enter it now. Now it's a good time to enter Italy 40. Okay, I see that Kyriakos has an update for us. He hit take profit on Euro Japanese yen. So I will pass right now to Kyriakos to inform us what's going on.
Thank you very much, Elif. So guys, as expected, Euro Yen position just closed with a take profit. We are up $1,870. And guess what, guys? Our pound dollar long position is also doing great. We are very close now to close our second profitable position for the day. Our hedging position, as you can see, has already covered the losses of the first position. Pound dollar is climbing. Currently, we have realized $1,870. We have unrealized profits of $4,000. Trades are developing very well. We are getting close to hit our take profit on pound dollar as well. Any minute now, I'm expecting pound dollar to hit our take profit, and this will mean that we will increase our profits to more than $2,500 for the day in the afternoon session. As you can see, the majority of my trades are in a plus, are in profit. This means that we are in the correct direction of the market. We are approaching the second take profit for the day, and that will be on pound dollar. If I have the updates, I will let you know. And also, I would like to know if anyone has followed me on these trades. Please share them in the chat room, participate in the chat room, ask us any questions you might have, and we would be more than glad to answer to your questions. So the trades are developing. Let's see now, we are approaching pound dollar. Elif, if you have any urgent updates, you can interrupt me at any time you wish. All right, so we are monitoring pound dollar. In the meantime, let's go around and check our other positions. We are long Aussie dollar. Let's see, Aussie dollar is now has a small obstacle on the MA 50 periods, but I believe that the bearish momentum against the dollar is prevailing today, so I don't think it will hold here. Euro dollar is started to climb to the upside as well, and we have long positions. So we are approaching also the take profit of pound dollar. This is a clear breakout above the upper Bollinger Band signal. It's a squeeze and breakout signal. That was a false one. I have entered long here, and this is a buy. It's a real one. It's a true signal that this pair will break to the upside. Pound dollar, we have said about it. Our Kiwi position is also doing relatively well. We had a long position upon the false downside breakout. Nice hovering inside the bands, failure swing here. And I believe also, as with Aussie dollar, it will continue to go up. Dollar CAD, we have the MA of 200 periods here. Oil is rising. Remember that dollar CAD it has negative correlation with oil. Oil is rising. I think we will see a drop on dollar CAD, not because oil is rising, just because oil is rising, but in combination with the MA of 200 periods, which acts as a huge resistance level for dollar CAD for intraday trading purposes. Dollar CHF, we have initiated short positions. We see that the MA of 200 periods is above the price, therefore that's a resistance. For the moment, is sitting quietly in a tight, narrow range between 96 and 95.80. It's going to be a either side breakout, hence the bullish momentum of euro dollar. And since dollar CHF has a strong negative correlation with euro dollar, is a mirror currency at 85% of the days, not 100%, 85% of the days. I believe that we will see soon a decline on dollar CHF as well. And dollar yen, I repeated it a few days ago, we see a break above 112. Next target is to test the 113 area. So we see that pound dollar now is fastly approaching our take profit. Red and green lights have lightened up our trading account. Pound dollar is getting there. And I also believe that euro dollar will get there very soon, guys. It's a weak dollar momentum this morning for the moment, and let's see if we are very close now. We are just 6 pips away from our second profitable position for the day. Also, euro dollar is getting ready to hit take profit. You see now that there is a very strong bullish momentum across the board for the euro and a very strong bearish momentum for the US dollar for the moment, despite the interest rate hike expectation. So we are closely monitoring now our pairs, and if I have any updates, of course, you will be the first ones to know. So that's all I have for the moment. Best performers currently is my long position on pound dollar and my long position on euro dollar. is getting there, guys. Get ready within the next hour to hit TPs both on euro dollar and on pound dollar long positions. That's all I have for the moment. As I said, today we don't expect major announcements apart from the fact that we have a Draghi speech at 1 p.m. UTC time. Is not of these speeches that will shake the markets. However, we always need to keep our ears and eyes open because you never know this guy what will say. And since he's a very important person, he needs always to be taken into account and also to monitor closely his speeches, any speeches that he gives out publicly. So this is the Forex update for the moment. We are just 25 minutes in our live trading session. We have already realized a profitable position. Our net profits realized for the day is currently $1,870. We currently have $4,000 unrealized. So for me, it's like this figure does not exist. And unless it is realized, it's not a profit, it's not even a loss. So that's all I have for the moment. As you can see, pound dollar is fastly approaching our take profit levels. We are less than 10 pips away. If I have any updates, of course, you will be the first ones to know. As Elif said very correctly, oil is the highlighter for the day. It has jumped the last few days, I think $3, Elif, from 69 to 72. Despite Trump's orders to minimize the price of oil, it has jumped $3, and I think we are expecting a higher price on oil despite all these Trump's orders to keep the cost of oil low, keep the price of oil low. So let's see what will happen. Oil will be very interesting in the next few days, and we are closely monitoring it, of course. That's all I personally have for the moment. You see now that pound dollar started to approach our take profit level, and it will be very interesting to see how it will react. Currently it's trading at 1.3116. That's all I have for the moment, guys. Elif, you have any updates on the positions? Let's go to Elif. Thank you.
Guys, we didn't close any position yet, but our DAX position looks very well. Let me see, I put a take profit on DAX. My take profit on DAX is at 12,393.75. With this take profit, I'm aiming a profit of around $600. Oil was very close to hit our take profit. Now it jumped up again, but I think it's on oil a nice move up and down. Italy 40. I see here the move going up, and when I see, okay, let me see, when I see a cross on Italy 40, I will enter again a sell position on Italy 40. Here around this level over here, I'm getting ready to enter again a sell order on Italy 40. And the reason why I will do that, I see that on my stochastic oscillator over here, that it is I missed it. No, I will leave it. When I see that my stochastic oscillator is oversold, then I will go short again. Currently, it's not oversold yet. And because it's not oversold, I will not enter it from now. I have to wait a bit more to get ready, and then I will short again my Italy 40 position. But in general, it's a very, very, very slow start in the day. Not much movement yet. It's Monday morning. Everybody is tense regarding the trade war. What's going to happen today? It's the day where the latest tariffs on Chinese products in USA will start to be imposed. It's the 24th of September, and we are waiting for the market reaction. I don't like the movement of oil right now. It was such a nice movement down, and now it's going up again. And we are short. However, if we see, okay, I'm expecting around here a turn. It's a support level here, guys. This is a support level. I'm expecting here a turn, reversal on oil. If this reversal will not happen and it will start going up, I will open another position, a buy position long on oil. And we see. Still on the markets, no real clear direction is visible. We are looking here on the 15 minutes chart of DAX. No clear direction. It's everything is rangy. UK 100, which we looked at, is the same picture. France 40. Guys, the markets are a bit conservative because of the movement of China. We are expecting some interesting move, but let's see. Okay, I see. DAX started to give us some profits, very less profits, but at least a move early in the morning. Leave it run. What's going on with silver, guys? It's been some days that we want to trade silver and we didn't trade silver. As you know, silver is the small innocent brother of gold. And I'm thinking of opening a position on silver right now. Yes, guys, I'm opening. I'm going long on silver. I just opened a long position on silver. And let me see where we will put our take profit on silver. I will put it on 14.305. Come on. I put my take profit on silver at 14.333. This is my take profit on silver. Oil is also, as I said, I have to check oil very well. If I go for my next position on oil, it's not ready yet. Guys, I will put a sell limit on oil. If oil will drop below, it's not a buy limit, it's a sell limit I want to do. If oil comes to 72.450, oops, $72.450, I want to sell. Here I want to sell oil. I want to increase my exposure here. Gold, what's going on with gold? Oh yeah, gold is okay. Gold, we will get there with gold easily. I'm not worried about gold. Look at gold's uptrend. This is a very clear uptrend on gold. We just need to be a bit patient on gold to hit our take profits. So what we are waiting for, guys? We are waiting for Italy 40 to Italy 40. Let's see, Italy 40 to increase our exposure. We might increase our exposure on Italy 40 when we see here a clear cross. Then we will enter again a buy limit on Italy 40. This is again short on Italy 40. This is the one step. Then on gold, let's go on gold. On gold, we just let it run. We trust this direction. On UK 100, I'm waiting to get a clear signal at around 7,480-ish to enter a sell position on UK 100. This is also the one which I'm looking for. Okay, gold started to go nicely up. There we go. Yep, gold will get there very soon. You see, Italy 40 is very stacked. Stacked on this limit. And I want Italy 40. It will. I need the next tick to decide if I go again down. Oh, gold, gold, gold. No, this is silver. Silver, our oil position got triggered, guys. Our oil position, which our sell limit on oil got triggered. So we are currently on oil on daily high. Oh shit, what's going on oil? Guys, I will go on oil. I will hedge oil. Wait, before here. No, before. Let me see how I will handle oil. I have to see how I want to handle oil. No, I will not hedge it now. Leave it over there and then we see. So guys, we have a position open on oil. We have two positions open on oil, sell positions. We have a buy position on gold and we have a buy position on silver. We are long on Italy 40 and long on DAX. waiting for the market to move in our favor. Currently, only DAX is moving in our favor. And with DAX, I think I have to close now. No, I will leave it to hit our take profit. It's not that far. It's not that far. I have to see about oil, what I will do with oil. Let's make again a nice analysis on oil. We had this very strong breakout. Since July, it wasn't so high as it is right now, and I'm expecting a drop, but it's not dropping yet. We will see, we will see, we will get there and we will see how it goes. But I have to take eventually some action. Kyriakos, do you have any updates?
Yes, of course. Let's go, guys, to the Forex trading desk. Let's see how our trades are performing. First of all, I would like to welcome the newcomers. I would like to say a big good morning to Mr. Oscar Arnonsson. So, Oscar, welcome to our live trading room. And it's nice to have you here. I will say again that I would like you to participate in the chat room, guys. Ask us any questions you might have. Share with us any positions you have taken. Share with us any profits you have already realized. We are more than glad to hear you being successful here at Trademy.com. So let's go around the pairs. Let me repeat once more for those who have just joined us. What are my current positions on FX? Currently, we have closed a long position on Euro Yen, almost $2,000, and currently we are up. Realized profits $1,870. Let's go around and see how our trades are doing. Currently, I have long positions on Aussie dollar. Let's put Aussie dollar. As you can see, the pair has tried to decline. Then it has found support here on the MA of 200 periods and has risen up. I have entered long positions here at the green line you see. It has risen up. Now we have the upper Bollinger Band and the MA 50. It's a strong intraday resistance level. And it will be very interesting to see the reaction of Aussie dollar. You are very welcome, Oscar. It doesn't matter if you started real trading or not. If you see something that you think is something that you have heard and you want the explanation, you are more than welcome to write any questions in the chat room. But thank you for the reply, and you are very welcome. So, as we can see, the Aussie dollar has climbed up and retested the upper Bollinger Band with the MA50 on the 15-minute chart. That's a strong intraday resistance level, guys. It will be very interesting for our long positions to see how Aussie dollar will react as soon as it retraces towards the MAs, the middle Bollinger Band, SMA 20 periods, and the moving average of 10 periods. So we are doing well. Euro dollar, it has climbed, broke above the upper Bollinger Band. Now it corrects a bit, but I believe that we will soon see the euro dollar climbing to the upside, continue the upward momentum. A failure swing has been completed on the 15-minute chart. That's my A, that's my B, that's my C. We had a close above the B level. That's a clear failure swing. If you count the vertical distance, it's almost there, guys. It's getting there. So we are trading based on patterns on euro dollar. Failure swing, upside completed, A, B, C, and we believe that the bullish momentum for the euro against the dollar will continue and eventually hit our take profit target. Pound dollar, we are net long. The price now is consolidating below the MA50. it will be very interesting to see if the price breaks above and makes new daily highs, then it's a matter of seconds to hit our take profit. If it corrects to the downside, it will be very interesting to see how the price will react if it tests the middle Bollinger Band and the MA of 10 periods on the 15-minute chart. For the Kiwi, we have long positions. Failure swing again completed to the upside. But in order to be more confident, I would like to see the price breaking above this top and above the Bollinger Band and the MA50. It's a bit difficult to be made. Very strong resistance levels for the Kiwi here, but we will keep our long positions, monitor them and adjust them accordingly as the trade develops. Dollar CAD, we have short positions. The price is consolidating below the MA of 200 periods, which gives us further probabilities for this short position to turn into profits. So it will be very interesting to see if the price manages to break above this and sustain the price of dollar CAD above this daily high. We will see about that. Dollar CHF, we have short positions. We have shorted it at a very nice level, almost at the daily highs, guys. I have managed to short it at the daily highs. The price now has made again a failure swing to the downside. However, as you can see here, we have MA50 and Bollinger Band. Reaction is expected. If the price penetrates downwards this level here, I'm expecting a sell-off on the dollar CHF and eventually hit our take profit. Dollar yen, we saw a clear breakout to the upside on the daily chart. We are targeting 113 level, and indeed we saw a nice morning star pattern here. What is a morning star? Is one of the good, very strong and reliable candlestick patterns. We see a big bearish candle, a middle candle, and then another bullish candle which covers at least 50% of the body of the red candle. That's a morning star. It appears in bottoms, and indeed we see that the price now has recovered fully the loss, new daily highs for the dollar yen, and I believe we will see a rally on dollar yen and eventually reaching the $113 level and of course reaching our take profit. You see there a green light on my account. Is the euro dollar, guys, is climbing to the upside. Any minute now I believe that we can hit a take profit on euro dollar. I said that overall this morning the week has started with a very bearish momentum for the dollar and a very bullish momentum for the euro. We have already closed a profitable position on euro yen, and we are long the euro against the dollar as well. Currently our best performer, not in terms of absolute returns, in terms of relative returns, because here I have 5 lots, I'm earning $1,700, while here I have 9.2 lots and I'm earning a bit more. So compared to relative returns, my best trade so far, my best performing trade is euro dollar. As you can see also, the majority of the trades are in profit. Currently, we are making a bit more than $4,000, but these are unrealized. So we are waiting, of course, to realize them. That's why we are here. So this is the Forex update. I'm patiently waiting for the trades to approach their TPs anytime now, especially on euro dollar. Let's check again the pound dollar. The pound dollar now, upon a small congestion area here, is trying to break above the MA50. If we see a new daily high, then probabilities are with us to close our net long positions on pound dollar with a profit as well. Now, you have heard me saying some terminologies, some failure swings, some relative returns, ABCs, evening stars on candles. If you're unfamiliar with these guys, we can arrange a one-to-one session either with myself or with Elif in order to show you in practice how you can take advantage of these patterns and make money out of trading. There are some patterns that are in the books and are reliable. There are some patterns in the books that simply do not work and you should not trust them. If you would like to figure out what is what and see it live and practice it with us, you are more than welcome to arrange a one-to-one session either with me or with Elif, and we will be more than glad to share our experience live with you guys. For one-to-one sessions, the best people to talk and arrange that is your account managers at Trademy.com. So that's all I have for the moment. Currently, we are doing fine. We have already realized €1 long position, $1,870. The trades are developing well. No worries at all. No stress at all. The week is great. We are doing very well, both of us here, and we will see how the day will develop. I see that Daniel has also just joined us. I would like to welcome you, Daniel. Good morning to our trading session. Currently, these are our FX positions, and if we have any further updates, you will be the first ones to know. Good morning, Daniel, and welcome. So that's all I have for the moment, guys. The trades are developing really well. Euro dollar is performing really well. We see that euro dollar, as expected, continues to climb. The failure swing pattern is maybe one of the strongest price patterns you can trade. You can use when you are trading live. Euro dollar is climbing. We are just 6 pips away from our take profit. We are aiming, guys, from this trade an additional $2,250. This will raise our profits to approximately $4,000 for the morning session. Let's see if we manage to hit the take profit now live in front of your eyes. We are getting there. Also, the other pairs are doing well. Aussie dollar is making us $580. Our long position on pound dollar has fully recovered the losses of our short position, and we are making money overall. The Kiwi is doing okay. Dollar CAD is where we have shorted it. Dollar CHF is doing okay. Dollar yen is doing okay. So the majority of the trades are doing just fine. If I have any updates, you will be the first ones to know, guys. How many of you have followed us on these trades? Please share it with us, and always be careful with your leverage and your money management and risk management strategies you are following, because you must always bear in mind that we might be wrong, okay? So protect your accounts, protect your money. That's all I have for the moment. Currently, the trades are developing very well. We have 10 more minutes in our morning session, and if you have any question, guys, just type it in the chat room and I will be more than glad to answer them, always together with my colleague Elif. So just a brief recap of what we have said in the morning for those who have just joined us. The important day for this week is Wednesday. We are expecting an interest rate hike of 25 basis points at least. Expectations and momentum, from what I have read in the morning, analysts are indeed expecting this interest rate increase from the United States. We have a very interesting morning regarding our Forex pairs. Today at 1 p.m. we have ECB President Draghi talk. As I said, is not one of the speeches that will cause huge volatility, but we must always keep in our ears and eyes open in case he says anything related to interest rates or monetary policy or whatever. So that's all for the morning from me, guys. Elif, you have any updates? Let's go to Elif to update you about the indices and commodities.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back. So, Daniel, what do you think about oil this morning? Tell me. we have a kind of diversified a bit our basket today. We traded also oil. Okay, oil trade we are trading quite often, but we traded also silver this morning. And it's a very, very slow morning, guys. Very slow morning. Let's see, on oil, for example, we went short. It just moved a bit. I don't think that this is a very strong movement this morning. Let me see how I will handle this. I still didn't decide. I need to see what the market is doing and how they develop before I take any action on oil. I don't want to hedge it. I don't want to close it. I will see. I still need a bit of time. Yes, Daniel, I'm also short on oil. Let's see. I need a bit more time to decide if I want to go also another long position on it. But currently, I don't see the point for that. So next one, silver. We opened also a silver position, guys. We went long on silver. This is very clear. It needs a bit time because the spread is quite high, but this is a clear direction. This will go up. This is clear. Then we have, okay, this is the oil position from there. We have a gold position open here. We open the gold position. Also gold, I'm very convinced about this, is a strong buy momentum. It's a buy momentum. We get this signal from the 5 minutes charts, we get this signal from the 15 minutes chart, and also later on from the higher charts as well. It just needs a bit of time for reaching our take profit. Maybe we entered a bit too early, but however, I think it's a nice trade with gold and silver over there. I trust my nose, my red nose for today. So until now, we didn't close any position for this morning. Let me see, we have also Italy 40 and DAX. Italy 40 is struggling to go long. It's trying to break out to go long, but it's not managing. And you see here it's struggling, but it's not managing to do so. So I believe with our short position, we will get here some money because it's always trying to get away from the 21,450 level. Will be, I think here we will make some money soon. Also on DAX, we are long. We were making money. Now it started to have a reversal, but the reversal is not as strong that I need to take any actions. It's just that everything moves very slow today. Nothing has a clear pattern. Nothing has a clear direction. I put, for example, here some notes that I want to enter again. Italy 40 to increase my exposure, but even for increasing my exposure, I still didn't get a real signal for that. Even for that, I didn't get a signal. The other one, I have a note that I want to enter UK 100 if I get the signal, and this is now almost 1 hour ago that I took the notes, and still I didn't get a signal for that. But guys, what I have to tell about all this stuff is, and this is very important to know, we have a German saying which is like, it's the silence before the hurricane. It's the silence before the hurricane. I believe this latest by Wednesday, as you know, no, not latest by Wednesday, as you know, on Wednesday we have the interest rate decision from America, and it's now the shake, you know, it's the shake of the week, interest rate decision. And before that, due to the China war, tension between China and America, and also due to the upcoming news with Fed. The markets are a bit slowed down, and now I see now gold started to move. Silver is making money. Oil still needs time. Oil is not good, but I like gold and silver. With oil, I have to see what I will do, guys. I will inform you on Twitter and here also on chat. Our Twitter account is @Trademy. I see some of you guys are not following us on Twitter. Just do it. Twitter us on Twitter so we can communicate anytime you want. Okay, I see. Silver is now making money. Okay. Oil started to drop. There we go, baby. This is what we want. If we see now also, no, I still didn't see an entry level from on the 15 minutes chart on oil. That's why I will not enter oil again. I have already 2 positions open on oil. I will leave them. I'm exposed enough. I like the silver trade. I like the gold trade, guys. Now we wake up. Now it makes. Now it started to make fun. Let's put gold. Here is gold. Here is silver. Anybody of you guys have kids? You know the song London Bridge? Now I feel like London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down. I know. So, however, now DAX is giving us money. Gold is giving us money. Silver is giving us money. That's good. The only Italy 40, I have to check also Italy 40 with Italy 40. Italy 40 needs still a bit time. Italy 40 needs time, but today is for me Italy 40 short day. Come on, come on. However, guys, today we are expecting. What is my take profit on silver? On silver, how much is my take profit on silver? $800. Well, if you consider that we have a very high spread on silver, we paid until now the spread out, but you see this wonderful setup. We are looking at a half-an-hour chart, and here it's a wonderful setup. Yes, here we have the confirmation as well. Yep, guys, get ready for silver. I trust silver a lot today. Will be my nice trade. On DAX, we are making right now a bit money. And here is also still some money to get. So I will keep the position still open. Now I'm looking at oil. Oh, ching ching! We hit our take profit on gold, fine on silver, on DAX. Finally, guys, we made $698 on DAX. Finally, we hit a take profit this morning. So next one is silver and gold. I'm looking at silver and gold. These are my next targets. What's going on with Italy 40? Here we have gold, here we have oil, here we have Italy 40. We are short on Italy 40. Needs a bit time. Let me see if we have any possibility on DAX again to enter. No. No, Italy 40, go back to Italy 40. Well, we need a bit time. Gold, we have to consider on gold how we will react. Right now it starts to reverse a bit, but I still don't trust this movement much. I have to be on top of it to see what's going on. Also for Italy 40, I have to think what I should do here. Is anybody with me in Italy 40? So, however, guys, I will inform you on chat. I will come live to inform you about Italy 40 and about my oil trade. Gold and silver, I trust my gold and silver positions, to be honest. They are very clear. With Italy 40, I'm not sure yet. I'm not convinced to say, okay, I'm closing my position. I'm accepting the loss. But on the same time, also, I'm not convinced to enter another short trade here on Italy 40. I'm not convinced either way. I have to wait and see. On silver, I'm making right now $300. Gold started to move nicely. But my main concern currently. Yes, Daniel. No, I didn't take gold late. I entered too early, I think. I didn't let the market to move. Let's go to gold here. I entered over here. No, I entered here on this candle I entered. And it had a drop, and now it's moving up again on gold. Yeah, I entered too early. I didn't let the market to move a bit. However, I know that the decision was correct, that the long position was correct on gold. And on silver here, I'm not worried. I just need to give that Italy 40 a bit more of time to develop. And apart from that, I think it's a good one. I think it will be okay. Yep, I will leave these positions. I like also the fact that oil started slow, makes slow drops down, as you can see, but I'm still not convinced to open another position on. Yes, Daniel, it's always like that, isn't it? It's always like that. I'm making your money later on. I'm throughout the day and in the evening, in the afternoon. But in general, today, the markets are very slow, also due to the holidays in Japan, which is a very big market. There is a holiday, and also due to the tension, what will happen next, you know? We see, we get there. So, Kyriakos, do you have any updates?
Yes, I do. Okay, guys. As you can see from my screen, we are getting ready to hit take profit on Euro USD. Let's put the chart of Euro USD. Is getting there, guys. We are now very close to our take profit. Now, as you can see, the majority of our trades are in profit, with the exception of our initial short position on pound dollar. These losses, however, have been almost fully recovered by our hedging long position on pound dollar, and we are getting also very close to hit our TP, just another 20 pips and we will get there. So for the moment, the trades are doing very well. Let's see them one by one before we close the morning session. We are long on Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, we have entered it here, is struggling to break above the MA50 and the upper Bollinger Band. Euro dollar is trading above MA50 and the upper Bollinger Band. And I believe that since we have made new daily highs the previous candle, the price will continue to go up and eventually hit our take profit. Our net long positions on pound dollar, as you can see, pound dollar is holding currently above the MA50, and that's a very good thing for us. If we see a break above daily highs, if we see new daily highs, then 99% we will hit our take profit. The Kiwi, we are long on the Kiwi, failure swing also on the Kiwi, consolidation above the middle Bollinger Band is looking good. However, the Kiwi has this big obstacle to recover. 66.75 is a huge intraday resistance level. If we have a break above it, then it's a matter of time to hit also our take profit on the Kiwi. Dollar CAD, the price is consolidating below the MA of 200 periods. Despite the bullish uptrend, I have shorted it close to daily highs. The price has nicely dropped below the MA, tested it, didn't manage to hold above it, and broke below it. Now it's very interesting to see that it's consolidating below the MA of 200 periods. So I'm expecting a drop on dollar CAD. Dollar CHF, again, I have shorted at the daily highs. The price is struggling to maintain the MA50. I don't think if we see a close below this low, I think we will see a huge sell-off on dollar CHF as well. And last but not least, long positions on dollar yen. For me, that's the best trade for the day, guys. A nice accumulation of the MAs, explosion to the upside, break to the upside on the daily chart. I think we are going to approach the 113 level. Hence, our profit is at 112.985. So these are our current positions. If I have any updates, I will let you know. Thank you for being with us. That's the end of the morning session. We will be here with you in the chat room. If you have any questions, I will repeat it again. Don't hesitate to type in the chat room, and we will be more than glad to answer any questions. If we have any updates, as we always do, we will go live and show them to you. Thank you very much for being with us, guys. Elif, do you have any updates?
No.
Thank you very much from both of us here. Pleasure to talk with you. Thank you, Alan, and we will see you again live, guys, except if we have any further updates in approximately 4 hours from now at 1 p.m. UTC time. Have a nice day ahead. We are here for you guys. Contact us via the chat room. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are getting ready to hit take profit on euro dollar. We are just 3 pips away from our take profit triggering price. If the profit is hit, we're talking about $2,250. We are monitoring here live now, just 2 pips away from our take profit level. Any minute now, guys, we will hit our take profit. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. That's the 1 minute chart, and that's our daily. That's our take profit level. We are just 1 pip now away, guys. Really close to hit our target. There we go. 0.9 pips, not even 1 pip now. We are very, 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 very close to hit our take profit. We have observed new daily highs on euro dollar. This candle here, new daily highs for euro dollar. And we are just 2 pips now away from our take profit target. $2,250. Let's see if we will hit it. Welcome, Jenna. So currently we are making $5,000, a bit more than $5,000. We are patiently waiting, I repeat, for the euro dollar position to close. If we see that, get ready, guys, for TPs on euro dollar. If we see that, I will go live and inform you straight away about it. It seems that now is falling a bit back. However, it's still very close to our take profit. As you can see, the price here is at 70 and here is at 73. So we are getting there, guys. Any moment I believe that we will hit our take profit. We are now monitoring the 1 minute chart of Euro USD. I'm still sharing my screen, guys. If I close the position, I will go live and inform you about it. Thank you. Okay, guys, as you can see, we have just closed our euro dollar position with profit, $2,250. So let me update you also in the chat room. So we have just closed our euro dollar positions. So euro dollar hit TP, that's our second profitable trade for the day. And we have increased our daily realized profits to $4,123. Also, as you can see now, our pound dollar net long positions are very close to hit our take profits. Therefore, expect now any minute to increase even more our profits above $4,500. We are getting there, guys. Pound dollar is looking also very promising. So we are now 4 pips away from our third profitable position for the day. Now 3 pips away. There we go, guys. Just a little bit more up and we will hit our take profit on pound dollar as well. Let's see. The pair is trying to make new daily highs. It has made new daily highs. Now the only thing that remains is to continue and go up. We are getting there, guys. So our hedged net long positions on pound dollar are getting ready to hit take profit. As soon as we do that, of course, you will be the first ones to know. So good news for the moment. We close euro dollar. Another $2,250 have been added into our pockets. $4,120 up for the day. Stand by for take profits on our net long positions on pound dollar. If this is realized, if the positions are realized, again, I repeat, you will be the first ones to know. Thank you. Okay, guys, welcome back again. More good news. Our pound dollar positions have just been closed, our net long positions, and we have increased our daily realized profits a bit more than $7,755. So far we are doing very well, I will say. And we also have these existing positions which are still running, all in profit, current and realized profits, $2,400. Stand by for more updates, guys. Thank you very much.
We hit take profit on Italy 40. We hit take profit $1,300. We just hit take profit. It's a good one. We increased our profits now to $2,045. We are left with our gold trade. We are left with our oil trades and our silver trade. The silver trade is developing quite well. On oil, we catched up quite a lot. Let me see. So I will not take any action for now on oil, and I will see how it develops to make some profits here as well. Hopefully, let me see. I will take it a bit higher. Might take profit on oil. And I'm quite positive about it, guys. So let's see. Now we are making on the oil trade. We had a huge drop now, and we are making on the second oil position $400 right now, and looks good. Looks good. Let me put also a take profit here on our second trade. I will put my take profit at 72,140. 50. Oops. 150. With this trade, I'm aiming around $1,500. With the other one, I'm aiming $700. So in total on oil, we are aiming $2,100. Let's see, after your lunch break, maybe we will come and have a nice ching-ching moment. Gold, we have to consider it a bit. We have to... Gold is a bit, we have to see. We have to stick a bit around gold. I don't want to make a decision right now about gold. I will see how it develops, and accordingly, I will inform you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ching, ching! We hit another take profit on silver. Now $800. We hit $800 on silver, and our profits are increased now to $2,845. Let's see, our oil trade started also to move nicely in our favor. As you can see, we started this drop, it's going down, looks nice. On gold, is also not bad, going in our favor. We have a take profit at 1,199.68, which means it's a take profit of approximately $3,000. And hopefully soon we will hit also here our take profit and increase our overall profits to $5,000. Let's see how it will go. There we go. We are already in profit on gold. Now slowly the market started to move. Here we go. And we would stay with our oil trades. Yes, guys. Yes, it's nice. Yes, it's nice. So hopefully soon we will have a bit more of profitable trades in-house, and I will inform you accordingly. Thank you, guys. There we go, guys. We hit another take profit on gold. It took us a bit time, but we made $5,845 now after hitting our take profits on gold. We made $3,000 so far. So now what is left? Left is our oil trade. We have still 2 positions open on oil. They are running nicely in our favor, but they need the last push to get some money in. Let's see. And I'm looking forward for the US opening to make some extra money, guys. So see you in a short while. There we go. We hit take profit and we managed to close all our positions today with take profit without with a profit of $8,000 so far, guys. Ching ching. Also our oil positions, they closed and we made on oil $2,200. Nice one. Took us a bit of time, but we managed to close all our positions. Let's see during the afternoon session what we will do. So let's wait for the afternoon session, guys.
Good afternoon, guys, and welcome to our afternoon session. Who is with us today, guys? Let me check our list here. Okay, let's go to Elif.
Guys, we are
close to hit our take profit on gold. I opened another gold trade and we are very close to hit our take profit. We are making right now $3,000 and our trade is at $3,700 is our take profit. So very close to hit. Come on, baby. Yes. We are getting there. Hello, everybody. Nice afternoon. Nice to have you here. We hit all our take profits, guys. Let me see here. We hit all our take profits from today. We are up $8,000. And now we have another one trade going on, but it was a false alarm, still not hit. But any moment we are ready to hit our take profit. Ellen, thank you for your wish. This is not luck. This is knowledge. This is knowledge. Guys, I have to tell you something. Knowledge is a treasure, and we give you this knowledge. But practice is to get it, is the key to get the treasure, and here we give you both. We give you the knowledge, which is the treasure, and we give you here on our live trading session also the practice to open the treasure box. And now we are very close to get there. However, thank you, Ellen, for your wishes. We will open the treasure today. No, now is gold going high, going high. Okay, it will take a bit more time than I expected on gold to hit our take profit of $3,800. We'll get there. No. Okay, so I'm passing to Kyriakos. Sorry, Kyriakos, was a false alarm.
No worries at all. I would like to welcome any newcomers and especially Mr. Robin Johnson. Welcome, Robin, from UK. Okay, we are becoming a big multinational here. So, Robin, I would like to personally welcome you on behalf of Trademy's team. And I'm Kyriakos Halilaou from the Forex Trading Desk of Trademy, and we are monitoring the 5 remaining positions that have been initialized since the morning session. Currently, we have closed, as you can see, guys, 3 out of 8 trades. We have closed Euro Yen, we have closed Euro Dollar in the morning session, and also we have closed our Pound Dollar positions, currently realizing $4,755. And we still have these 5 Forex pairs trades running. Let's go and see them one by one, and let's start with the first one that has just decided to move, guys. Is dollar CAD. The one that had decided eventually to move is dollar CAD and is falling nicely. We are short on dollar CAD with a take profit at 1.28973, and the decline has just started. So for those of you who have just joined us, let me write to you in the chat room our position. So our first position is that we have shorted dollar CAD with a take profit at 1.28973. Currently in the money, making us money, is our best performer. Let's go to the second trade we have. We are long Aussie dollar. This is Aussie dollar chart. Sudden movements for the past 30 minutes. Eventually the markets have started to move in our direction. So our second trade is that I have long positions on Aussie dollar with take profit at 0.73038. That's the second position. Similarly, I have long positions as well on the Kiwi. Kiwi is a New Zealand USD, so I'm long also on New Zealand USD with a take profit set at 67.052. Now, my fourth position in the money as well, we have shorted dollar CHF and is doing very well as well. So I have short positions on. You look at the volatility, guys, a sudden volatility in the FX pairs. Something is going on. We will figure it out shortly. So I have shorted dollar CHF, take profit 0.95592. And the last position I have is long positions on dollar yen. Huge volatility now, guys, huge volatility. And right now I will go to forexlive.com to see what's going on, guys. A sudden volatility in the forex market. So let me go to forexlive.com and check if we have any announcements. Draghi on market expectations. Yes, it's Draghi's speech. Draghi in Brussels says the realignment of market expectations of those of the government council was immediate and smooth. Labour markets are tightening, shortages in some years. Pick-up in wage growth will continue. Domestic price pressures are rising. Sees a relatively vigorous pick-up in underlying inflation, and data vindicate ECB's view on medium-term inflation. Hawkish stuff and a bit of euro-dollar strength. This is what the Draghi has said so far. I'm providing you now with the Forex Live link so that you can read it by yourselves. So Draghi is talking right now. That's why we have this volatility. His speech started at 1 p.m. UTC time. So just 6 minutes ago, and you see already the nice volatility that caused in the markets. Let me go straight to my best performer. Dollar CAD is declining nicely, guys. Now we are fast approaching daily lows here. If we break below them, then I think we will immediately hit our take profit target. Is doing very well. As you can see in the morning, for the past 2-3 hours was quiet. It didn't move, but for the last 45 minutes, you see this downside breakout. Now it has lost the MA of 50 periods, and I believe that the decline will continue. So let's see. It will be very interesting upon Draghi's comments on the speech to see how the pairs will react. As you can see, all the trades are making money, and that was the case since the morning. Currently, all the trades are making money, a bit up, a bit down, but I believe we will do great. So as we can see on the dollar CAD, it has the MA 200 periods was a very good resistance level. Is still valid, combined with the bearish cross of the MA 50 below MA 200 gives me the initiative to keep my short positions and targeting lower levels, as you can see here, a bit lower than 129 round number at 128.973. Moving on to the Aussie dollar, we see the opposite scenario. We see a bullish cross of the MA50 above the MA200. MA200 acted like a nice support for the intraday trading purposes. Here it has gone up. The pair now is consolidating. I would love to see a close above today's highs, and I believe we will quickly reach our target, which is a bit higher than the 73 round number resistance level. Moving on to the Kiwi. The Kiwi is less bullish than the Aussie dollar. However, the setup is the same. We still have a bullish cross between MA50 and MA200 periods on the 15-minute chart. However, the market now is trying to break daily lows. I believe that if this occurs, then we will find support on the MA of 200 periods, and then the only need is to wait and see how the Kiwi will react. The dollar CAD, as I have mentioned before, we had a bearish cross of the MAs. The MA 200 periods is still holding. The pair has just also lost the MA50. If we break the daily lows, then I believe we will quickly drop and retest the 129 support zone, exactly where our, a bit lower, 29 is our take profit. Moving on to dollar CHF, the pair is within a bearish trend. Look at these MAs. The MA50 is below MA200. The MA200 period is a major resistance level for intraday traders. A very narrow trading range for dollar CHF for today, but as you can see now as we speak, it tries to give up also the MA50. If we see a close below today's lows, then I believe also we will hit our take profit soon. And lastly, dollar yen, it has been rising since the morning. No lower lows, very bullish. A breakout on the daily chart since last week. I believe we are moving higher, and we will retest the 113 highs. So this is as far as the forex updates. Elif already is in action. She has just shorted Italy 40. I will update you if I have any changes. So let's go straight to Elif with Italy 40 short position. Elif, there you go.
Hey guys, it's really incredible how fast things in CFD trading can change. Look at this. While we opened the market and it was here and we were close to hit our take profit, and now gold just jumped up, and I'm wondering if I should hedge my position. Let me see. Guys, I will hedge it. I'm going now long on gold. I'm going long on gold right now. So now, guys, I'm long and short on gold. I'm long and short. And I will see on gold. I will put my take profit immediately now. Let me see where I put my take profit. I will put my take profit on gold at 12,001. At 12,001, I will put my take profit. Oh no, this is... Yeah, there we go. That's now I hit myself, and it, however, we will get there. Something will come up out of this. On Italy 40, I went short, guys. This is a nice setup. It's a nice setup. Look here, we hit our Bollinger Band on top, and then we are oversold, and now it started to move downwards, as you can see. That's why I shorted Italy 40. Let me put a take profit. As you know, I'm putting my take profit short, close to my middle Bollinger Band, because I'm expecting the market to drop down to there. Here we go. And I'm expecting here a profit of $1,400. Also, DAX is quite interesting. Look at this picture on DAX. We had a huge drop due to the news talk of Draghi. It's at the opening price of the day. Let me see what I will do here. I will go short also on gold, on DAX, guys. I'm selling DAX. I just sold DAX. Look at gold, guys. We are here long and short, and now our long position on gold started to make almost money. We almost paid off our spread. We opened the increased amount. Anybody had with me the sell position on gold? Yes or no? So let me see on chat. Yeah, welcome, Robin. Welcome here in our nice trading community. If you have any questions, just do not hesitate to contact us and ask us. We are all here, a nice community, helping each other, supporting each other, helping each other. So nice. Our Italy 40 position started to make money. It's an extreme volatile time right now. In the morning, it was not volatile. I mean, we needed so long time to hit our take profits. In the morning, we almost closed only our DAX position, as you remember. All the rest we closed throughout the day. And you see how long it took. The day was very slow. Now with the speech of Mario Draghi, it started to be a bit more interesting for us. Okay, on my gold trade, I'm making now, on my long gold trade, I'm making right now $1,400. It's above 1,200. Gold is currently above 1,200. I put a take profit at $7,000, guys, for my long position. But in general, I believe that gold will return and drop very soon. That's why I put my take profit quite narrow, and I don't care about my sell position because it will come very soon there. Until now, we made $8,000, guys. We made $8,000 until now. We have another 15 minutes until the US opening. During the US opening, for all of you newcomers, what we do is we are trading the US indices during the US opening. Let me check the pre-opening. No, it's too early to check the pre-opening. In around 5 minutes, we will check the pre-opening. Okay, let me see here. No. Once I see on the 15 minutes markets that the price reached the area oversold, overbought, I will close my position. We are making right now $4,000 on our gold trade. $7,000 is our take profit. Guys, we are currently at $5,000 with our gold position. Our profits by now are $8,000. If we get now another $7,000, we will increase our profits for today to $15,000. For a Monday morning, it's a good start. Now, what's going on with Italy 40 and DAX? Because we have also a position on Italy 40 and DAX. Let me see on silver. We might open also a position on silver. This is oil. We profited today also on oil. We closed 2 positions on oil, and now oil price is going high. Guys, I want to open also some oil. No, let's see. I need a pull back, and then I will open gold. So no, so this is our gold position. This is silver. I don't want to enter now silver. Let's put Italy 40 here. We are short on Italy 40. We are short on there we go. We are at $7,000, at $6,000 on gold. $6,000 gold. Shall I take profit a bit higher? Italy 40 and DAX, they need a bit more time. Gold is close to hit take profit hour. There we go. I will take it a bit higher, our gold trade. We hit our take profit on gold with $7,900. We hit take profit and we increased our profits to $16,000, guys. Now, let me see. I will go again long on gold. I will still go long on gold, guys. I'm buying again gold. I just bought again gold. And the reason why I do so, it's very clear. I still don't see a reversal pattern, and we were right, guys. We are making right now $400 on gold. We paid off our spread. We paid off our spread, guys. So I don't see a reversal on the 15 minutes chart. That's why I still keep going long on gold. But I blocked already a profit of $7,900 on gold, which is good, which is important. I have also a sell position here. Normally, gold's very strong support level is at 1,203. If it passed the 1,203, the next level it's turning is 1,210. So we have to be carefully at around 1,203. Up to that level, we can keep opening positions, guys. And then we have to consider what we do with our sell trade. We are fully hedged on gold right now. All good. All good, guys. All good. Nice one, nice one, nice one. So let's see. We DAX and Italy 40. This is DAX, this is Italy 40. Nothing much to wait. Nothing much to say about that. They are moving on and it's nice. I see Stephen just joined us. Welcome, Stephen. You missed a very nice trade on gold. Stephen, I see Kyriakos has an update. Kyriakos, please.
Guys, for the US Open, I'm decided to close all my positions and realize $3,700. So I'm liquidating my positions on Forex. Let's liquidate. Let's close everything, guys, before the US Open starts. And we have just closed all of my positions. I have just closed all of my positions. And today we have raised our profits up to $8,427. Now, the reason I have closed these positions, I saw some weakening trends on the dollar. So I have decided to close them. I'm squared. Current realized positions, I'm done for the day, $8,427. Not bad for an intraday trading day. As you can see from the closing time, we realized in the afternoon session approximately a bit more than $3,500 from our positions on Aussie dollar, New Zealand USD, dollar CAD, dollar CHF, and dollar yen. So I'm squared. $8,427, not bad for one day. We have closed 3 positions in the morning session and the remaining 5 positions in the afternoon session. A nice day for me, guys, and I hope you enjoy with Elif the US session. Before we go back to Elif, guys, that's a historic moment for me. Euro dollar has broken the 118 level. Next target 119. That's all from me, guys. I hope you have made some money as well. In 5 minutes, the US session starts, and I think Elif will have a great show for us. So that's all from me. Elif?
Thank you, Tiago. So with me, guys, I'm expecting now the US opening to open lower. The pre-opening volumes are showing weakening of all indices. Let me see, Twitter, Facebook, Alphabet. I see like Facebook, Twitter, and Alphabet, all three companies were down between 0.7 and 1.2% in the pre-market trading. So this means for us, Nasdaq to go down. Let's arrange our pictures, you know. Okay, I don't need Italy 40 and DAX right now. They are moving on. By the way, I got also a notification right now during our trading session that Deutsche Bank, one of the biggest, the biggest German bank, was involved in the last years. Some of you might remember in a LIBOR and LIBOR interest rate. Let me see, guys. Yeah, in some of fraud, LIBOR fraud, issues. They were involved, and now they got compliance officer, external compliance officer provided against money laundering and terror financing. So Deutsche Bank, it's not a positive news for Deutsche Bank. Let's see how the market will accept this news. Guys, now that no, this is Nasdaq, USA 100 is Nasdaq, as you know, and this is USA 130, USA 30. I don't know yet what I want to trade. If I want to go long or short, I have to wait for the market opening. But on USA 100, which is Nasdaq, definitely I will go short for the beginning. I'm just thinking if I should enter it from now. We have this pullback. Yes, guys, I'll go from now short on Nasdaq, and I will put my take profit here at 7,400. We paid already the spread, and our take profit is at 7,430. I will put it at 7,430. Let me see. What does this mean for us? I will put it a bit higher because of, I see here a very strong support level. Here it's a support level. Here it's a resistance level. Here it was broken through. So let's put it on this level. Our take profit on USA 100, which is Nasdaq, it's at 7,455. This is my take profit for USA 100, and in 1 minute we have the US opening. Currently at the pre-market opening, we could see that the three big shares which are noted in Nasdaq, Facebook, Twitter, and Alphabet, which is basically the mother company of Google, were traded lower than the Friday's closing. So I'm hoping here during the opening for a drop, guys. So this is the one chart. Let's go with again on 4 minutes. And we go now to, and there we go, the opening. Come on. USA 30, here we go. What's the opening doing here? I will sell also USA 30. I just sold USA 30. Just sold USA 30 during the opening. What shall we do? Where shall we put our take profit? I will put here my take profit on. It's at 26,620. I'll put my take profit for Dow Jones at 26,620. This is nice. Look at USA 30, guys. Look at USA 100. Look at this drop. We are making right now. Woo! Look at gold. We are making $6,000 on gold. We are making $600. Oh, ooh, nice, nice. Nice one, guys. I will increase my exposure, guys. I'm increasing my exposure on USA 30. I'm selling more on USA 30, guys. Also on gold, I will put a take profit at 12,000. No, there we go at 1,204 is my take profit, and I'm aiming here a profit of $12,000. So wonderful, guys. I'm closing now my trade. I want more. I want more. Look at look at USA 100, guys. Look at USA 100. Very close to hit our take profit. Look at this. Come on, come on. I'm expecting here at least $1,700. On USA 30, I'm making $1,300. On gold, I'm making right now $6,000. Come on. Yeah, that's the way we like it. That's the way we like it. Yes, Daniel, gold is flying. But as I said, I'm expecting gold to reverse at around 1,205. That's why I put my... Guys, we are very close to hit take profit on USA 100. There we go. There we go. We hit take profit on USA 100. Ching, ching. And we made on USA 100 $1,275. And I will go for more. Guys, I will go for more. I'm selling again USA 100. I just sold again USA 100. Let me see. Also USA 30. USA 30, where is our USA 30 position? Here is our USA 30 position, and here we put a take profit at, come on, I will take it here. This is our take profit because I see here a very strong, I'm expecting from USA 30 today, $2,200. What's happening with Italy? 40. Okay, also Italy 40 is giving us money, guys. Not yet. It will, it will, it will. Okay, gold. We have to be aware of gold, guys. We have to be aware of gold. So now everything started to be a bit more slowed down. Everything slowed down a bit. However, it will, for anybody who didn't manage to enter USA 30 position, now it's also a great time to enter USA 30. I have already 2 positions open, so I will not increase more my position. I'm short on USA 30. Daniel managed to make some money on gold. That's good. Okay, I have to see with USA 130. Okay, I'm expecting. No, I will leave it. It will get there. It will get there. It just needs a bit more time than I expected it. Yep, that's the way. That's the way. So also gold is giving us right now $8,000. We increased our profits today to $17,277 so far. Daniel, I'm on gold. I have a hedged position, so I'm long and short on gold, but I believe it will reverse at around 1,203 for level. I believe it will reverse. So I will leave also my short position on gold, as you can see. But in the meantime, I want to make also profits from this incredible move up. Now everything is a bit moving upwards. Everything is moving upwards a bit and getting ready for our next shot. Come on, come on, come on. USA 30, why you are doing USA 100? Catched up all these drops. Yep, USA 30, this is what we want. Come on, drop down a bit more. What's going on with DAX? DAX made also this crazy move. Yep, it will go down. So anyone who traded with me DAX can easily go short now. Now I'm looking here on Italy 40. Also, Italy 40 will have a strong drop down. Let's take gold back. Gold, I like gold to have the screen on gold always in front of me. On gold, we are making right now $9,900. So let's see, very close to hit take profit on gold. USA 100 is making crazy moves. I was expecting USA 100 and USA 30 now to give a next shot down. But it's moving really strong up, but it's okay. We have to close these positions once they start to drop again. Okay, USA 100. Dow Jones is moving now crazily up. Let me see what I have to do here. No, I'm looking on the half-an-hour chart and a drop is quite clear here. I'm sure that the drop will happen very soon on USA 30. So I will not take any actions. What about USA 100? Let me see. USA 100 in general, it's difficult. It's an extreme volatile during openings. USA 100, guys, with USA 100, I will sell now again. Now I'm selling again USA 100, and I want this drop here. I want the money from the drop. Yep. I want the money from the drop, and I will get it. So, Daniel, what's going on with your trades? All good? Oh, this is USA 100. I shorted again USA 100. Let me put also the volumes. No. Philisto. Wait a minute. Okay, hold on for a moment. I'm checking now also the volumes. Yeah, they increased here, and USA 30. Oh, okay. Now it's just time for USA 30 to start dropping. I see that Kyriakos would like to share with you some information. So Kyriakos, please feel free.
Thank you very much, Elif. Okay, guys, you know that I'm done for the day. Currently, I have realized I have traded as usual the 8 major pairs: Euro Yen, Euro Dollar, Pound Dollar, Aussie Dollar, Kiwi, Dollar CAD, Dollar CHF, and Dollar Yen. For me, it's a very nice day because, as you can see, on all the FX pairs that I have traded, I have managed to close my positions with profits on every single of the 8 FX pairs I have traded today. You see a minus sign there in the pound dollar, but as you can see, we made more from our hedging long position. On Aussie dollar, we made money. From Kiwi, we made money. From dollar CAD, we have made money. From dollar CHF, we have made money. And we have also made money from dollar yen. So it's an 8 out of 8 for me today, $8,427. So the reason I have asked Elif to share the screen for me is to show you this nice breakout, guys. Now, what do we see on the euro dollar? Remember the previous week, those who have been following us, I said that I was a bit skeptic how to take advantage of this candle, of this large breakout. Euro dollar has made a break. Euro dollar has made a break to the upside, and for me, based on the daily chart calculations, first target is 119, second target is 123. If you look on the weekly chart though, we see that the target is actually at around the MA 200 periods of the weekly. The monthly, however, shows a really nice bull market. Here we have a bullish hammer on the monthly chart. Confirmation will come for this month. And if this is true, guys, and we take the FIBO extension combined with Elliott wave counting that I have done, if this is wave 4 and we are going towards wave 5, then the first target for wave 5, I think maybe it's a bit early to say it. Maybe some of you will say that I'm crazy, but technical analysis rarely makes mistakes, although it's not 100% correct. As a long-term target, I see euro dollar around 136. As a more recent target, if we have a break above that level, I see it around 130, 132. This analysis is valid as soon as we hold above 113. Okay, so euro dollar from now on onwards is a watch out for me. We have a nice inverse head and shoulders penetrated. You see here the left shoulder. For those of you who have studied price patterns in your training programs, you know what I'm talking about. So we observe a nice inverse head and shoulders on euro dollar. That's the left shoulder, that's the head, that's the right shoulder. Also, we observed last Thursday actually, we observed a nice break above the neckline. This is the neckline. We say a close above it. Maybe the price retraces back to the neckline, but euro dollar is looking now very bullish, guys. Per Franson has a question. What should I do this position? Buy XAG. One moment to... It's silver. Okay. Elif will also say her opinion, but based on what I see on the daily chart, you bought silver Franson at 14.333. What I will personally do, if I see a daily close below today's low, I will give it away with a loss. Otherwise, a nice base has been formed here. I would have kept it unless I see a daily close below 14.17. Okay, so 14.17 is a very good support level for silver. As soon as trading above that, technically, personally, I wouldn't give up my position. Now, expect the market to make ups and downs, but today's low is a crucial low for silver. So we don't want to see a close below today's low. Is that clear, pair? And first of all, welcome to the live trading room. I think it's maybe the first or the second time that I see you. So is that clear about silver? Just type a yes or a no so that I know that my explanation was sufficient one. Now, regarding USA, you bought 100 lots. Elif, we go straight to you.
Yes, but I can't understand what is buy 100 USA. Is it you bought Nasdaq, Franson? Is it Nasdaq you bought?
I think it's Nasdaq because 100 US, there is no other index 100, right? Maybe it's Nasdaq.
Okay. Well, with gold, with silver, I have to tell you, Franson, right now we have a nice formation on silver. It's traded at 14.29. So I would try to keep it. If your margin allows to you to do so, I would try to keep this position. And regarding Nasdaq, you bought Nasdaq. Can you please explain me what you mean with Nasdaq, because I don't understand really your entry level of Nasdaq and 14.0307. Okay, I see. So if you went 2 times long on silver, The 14,307, I think, as I said, we are very close to go higher than 14,300. I think you could easily keep it. It's a very good setup right now for a long position. You see it. It's trying to go higher. We are seeing on the volumes that it's going higher. I think for gold, for silver, you could easily keep these positions. We managed today also to make some profits on silver, and it's not bad. It's not bad. You should keep it, my opinion. And as Kyriakos already said, if you see a closure of the day low, which is at 14,155, is it the day's low? Then you can consider of closing that position. But currently it looks like a nice setup, and I would keep this position still for a while. So from my side, well, USA 30 and USA 100, they had this strong drop and then they moved up. And now we see on USA 30 again a drop down, which is nice. I keep this position still going on. I will keep it. As you can see, I'm making right now still $700 on the one position. Let me see. My current profit is 17,277. What should be our target, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? What should be our target for today? There we go. I will close now. No, I will keep my position. We are making $1,000 here. We are making $6,000 on our gold position. So, yeah, come on. I want a bit more on gold and on Dow Jones. I want a bit more on Dow Jones. Okay. So I will shortly close my position. Yeah, come on. There we go. This is what I'm looking for. I will close in a short while my positions on Dow Jones. I'm making right now $1,200 on it. I adjusted a bit my take profit for gold because there we go. We are making $1,500 on Dow Jones for 1,600. Come on, a bit more, and I will be happy. Okay, however, come on, a bit more and I will close it. A bit more and I will close this position. I would like to hit today $20,000. If I close right now my gold position, I'm easily to hit that. But I want to hit it. Okay, I'm getting ready to close my USA 30 position. No, I will leave it run. I know that there is money that I can get out of it. I see it here on the setup. It's a half an hour setup. It will take a bit time. Let's see. Also on the 5 minutes chart, I see over here a very nice setup, guys. I see the setup. So why not to take these opportunities? Why not to take this opportunity? Okay, now get ready to close the position. 1,300, 1,400. Come on, it takes too much time. I just close it. I close this one. Okay, how much we are now? 18,000. We are up $18,000 so far. What's happening with DAX? What's happening with Italy 40? We missed Italy 40, guys. We missed Italy 40. On USA 100, I will just leave that position to run for now. On USA 100, it's good that we closed it. Look at this picture now. We closed it and the market moves now against it. We were short and it starts to move up. Okay, guys, on gold, I have to take slowly action and close my position because I think a reversal is coming up. A reversal is coming up, so I close my position with $3,000 profit, $3,000 profit on gold, and we increased our position to 22, our profits for today to $22,000. We still have some positions open, but on gold, I believe that it's time for a reversal, guys. I will not open a sell position. I have already a sell position. I will wait the market to drop so I can close my sell position on gold. On DAX, what's going on DAX? On DAX, I will put a take profit. At 12,340. I put a take profit. Let me see. This is not a very good take profit. It's below. Let me have. Okay, I will put my take profit quite narrow to the preview, to the today's closed today's low, which is at around $800 profit. Yep, come on, come on. What's going on with Italy 40? We have also an Italy 40. On Italy 40, I have to wait a bit more, guys. Yep, Italy 40. Yeah, the downtrend started here as well. Yeah, on Italy 40, we have to keep on this track. On USA 100, we have to put also some take profits on USA 100. Okay, I will be very conservative. I see over here it is very close to start dropping. Yep, it will start dropping and we will make some money also on USA 100. I see it coming. It might take just a bit longer than we expect. However, guys, we made today again some nice profits. We hit take profit on silver, on gold, again on gold and gold. We made some profits on oil, on Italy 40, on DAX, on USA 100, USA 30. We had a nice variety today in our basket, guys. Currently, it's $22,000 profit what we have. It's nice. We really enjoy it. We really, really enjoy it. And let's see, soon we will get it. However, guys, Kyriakos, do you have any updates?
Not particular updates. I hope we have answered Mr. Franson's question about silver, although we haven't received any response in the chat room. I hope our explanation regarding long positions on silver was clear. Let me repeat it, Franson. If you see a close below today's daily low, then most probably the silver is moving lower. Otherwise, you have good chances of further upside movement. As Elif said, if your margin requirement allows you to do that, I will personally keep that as soon as I don't see a lower close than today's low. So from my side, as I said in the morning, I have traded 8 forex pairs. We have made $8,427. That's all for me for the day. Tomorrow will be a new exciting day. I saw a clear upside breakout on euro dollar, so tomorrow we will trade it and we will make some money. So from my point of view, guys, I would like to personally thank you for being here with us and asking questions and participating with us. I hope you have made also money on Forex trading by following me on any of these trades. And I would like to wish you a nice afternoon ahead, and we will see you tomorrow again live here with my colleague Elif at 8 a.m. UTC time. So from me, have a nice afternoon and have some rest, and I will see you again tomorrow. Liv, any updates?
No.
So we would like to both of you to personally thank you for being here with us. Have a nice afternoon and see you tomorrow, guys, for more exciting and profitable trading sessions at 8 a.m. UTC time. Bye bye, guys.